GM guys, welcome to the new episode. Today I will be introducing you to one of the top exchanges which I and many active advanced trader use. It's actually one of the best ones with low fees. Mexc is one of the top centralized exchanges used to trade a wide range of trading pairs with ultra low fees. And here I'll dive deeper today why it's a cheat code. So Mexc is built different. Why is it underrated? Well, you get tons of early listings before any other exchange. As you see, there are listings every day. Many meme coins have been on this exchange before anywhere else. You can easily buy them before they get listed on bigger exchanges, among other things, even before the Twitter hype. Okay, 0% fee on futures. So futures, any good trader uses futures trading, meaning you can leverage your money, you can play with a lot larger money than you have. With Bitcoin, Ethereum, or all of the other altcoins, you can leverage your money up to 500x, which is one of the highest exchanges allowing this if you want to go deep. But you also have zero fees on several or even a ton of altcoins here. So if you want to trade and you don't want to pay the exchange, this is the place. Apart from that, they actually have one of the largest bases of altcoins. You can trade Chill Guy, Nero, and such tokens which are relatively low market cap, and you can leverage that. So if you want to get bullish or bearish, for example on Popcat, you can easily take a long position or short position with zero fees, and this is probably only found on Mexc. Apart from that, you can, as a new user, you can participate in their events, stake USDT. You can win bonuses through just participating in some events which they organize. So if you're active and you want to take opportunities, it's a great place to do so. Events, for example, also like staking, or you can participate in the Launchpool or Launchpads, where the new tokens will get listed, and basically you just staking your tokens, you will be able to win some of the yet released tokens. Okay, you also have Dex Plus with loads of information here about Solana pairs, ETF tokens. You can even trade the ETF tokens, which is really cool. So if you want to go on long or short for a Bitcoin ETF or Ethereum ETF, you can easily do it with Mexc, right? So the core functions and functionalities, the features which you'll be using on Mexc, the first one is spot trading, right? So as you see here, you go into, let's say, the markets, but just go into the exchange because that's the centralized exchange. Okay, and there you will have it. Here you will have the spot market. So let's go into the sport, boom, spot, and you can trade. For example, we have Julia OS, which is also an interesting pair. You have tons of different spot positions, so basically just buying them and you will have them in your wallet. You can withdraw them and send them to your own hot wallet, such as MetaMask or Rabby. Okay, here is the interface, buy, sell. This is pretty simple to use. Limit orders, exit, stop loss, and TP is already there. Futures, so I already showed you. Leverage your positions, USDTM, so just put 100, put 10x leverage. You're actually trading with 1000 right here. Next one, Launchpool. Okay, so Launchpool is a cool feature. New tokens which are yet unlaunched. Here we have EIN, As a new user, you can participate with staking your USDT, and you will be actually farming the new token, which is yet unreleased anywhere, and so you will be one of the first to get them. Also, bomb, iceberg, and such tokens were available to participate in, and all of these give you basically free money. Okay. Apart from that, you have the Launchpool, you have the Launchpad, Airdrop Plus. So you'll be winning some airdrops once you participate, stake USDT or Mexc, which is the Mexc token, for exclusive rewards. Then you have P2P fiat gateway, meaning you can easily put in your real money, fiat money, and buy crypto for that, which should be super cheap and convenient for you to buy crypto or sell crypto through Mexc to get to spend the crypto earned money. Okay, so how I use it, guys, how I use Mexc to get an advantage. So basically, I keep an eye on the new launches. I keep an eye what's coming, what's I can trade with USDT or USDC. So as you see, I have 1.8k here to trade. So I'm looking at the change, what's changed a lot, what dumps a lot. Then I make some analysis. I do some analysis. Why is this dumping so hard? I find some undervalued gems. But also I'm looking at the volume, also looking at the price. The interface is quite convenient, so I can check the charts here and do some analysis and also set up some orders. So I try to set up some orders cheaply, and then I just participate. See, this is like a new coin which has been listed here today. So if you would be able to buy Alvido early, you would probably be able to get easy profit, right? You had a big candle here, now it's dumping, so trying to look at some low entry, buy it, and the new launches usually give us a good opportunity to make some money. Okay, so snipe early gems on spot markets, stake stable coins. I also stake some stable coins, as I showed you, for free money, airdrops, or the Launchpool. Apart from that, get early access to new projects and futures. Mexc is the place where I trade futures. Open long position, short position. Once there is a good setup, I try to use the advantage of the zero fees trading pairs. Yeah, so this is something which no other exchange has, and I think this is the alpha. So why pay fees, right? If you're opening a big position, why pay fees if you can just open for zero fees? Okay. Right, so today I have a great offer for you. I will be giving you my referral access once you, as I'm a official Mexc partner. I will be giving you guys a discount on fees. Apart from that, you will be also able to get discount and cash back on your trades. So register with my referral link on Mexc. Register easily. You just do it through the email, or you do it through the phone number. You don't have to do any KYC. That's not necessary. And then start trading. So these bonuses will be added to your account straight away. You also get discounts on fees because you registered through my link. So you'll see the link in the bio in the first comment, but you also see it on the screen here. So once you register, there will be a window, put your referral link, and that's how you will be getting in and a discount. So comment, leave the link in the comment. If you like it, make sure to give a subscribe and join my Telegram channel for some setups on futures to make some money if you want to follow my trades. And let's dive deeper into the other alpha tools which I use to get an advantage on the market. As you see, Gold Bar and BTC giveaway here by Mexc. They organize these things often. You can download their app and trade through their app directly. So make sure you join and leave your UID in the comments so I can maybe give you a reward for registering. That's it for today. Thanks for joining. I'll see you later in the next episode.